Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Today is an important video because treatment of goodwill in case of admission we are going to learn today. It is very important that you understand the concept properly. Okay, so let us start. Treatment of goodwill, that is premium for goodwill. Okay, this is treatment of new partner. Okay, so when we say that new partner is bringing his share of goodwill, he will bring. There are so many cases we are going to discuss each one. Okay, so whenever he pays privately. Okay, when he pays privately to the partners outside the firm, this is outside the firm. So there is no need and there is nothing to do with the firm. So there will be no entry in the books of the firm. Okay, so you have to keep in mind whenever new partner pays his share of goodwill, that is premium for goodwill, privately, that time there will be no concern with the firm, so there will be no entry. Okay. Secondly, when he pays in cash, whenever the partner pays in cash will comes in. At that time, the entry will be cash account debit to premium for goodwill, that is I am going to call it PFG, premium for goodwill. Okay, with it we can have the entry of capital also, partners capital. Okay, new partners capital, because he is going to bring his share of capital also. Okay, when he doesn't pay in cash, okay, whenever he is not paying in cash, at that time from his capital or current account, by opening a current account, we are going to take his share of goodwill. So just in spite of cash, we will write here his capital account, because always capital will be bought in cash. Capital cannot be in kind. Okay, so he is going to bring his capital whether in cash or kind. So in such a case, we are going to take from his capital or we are going to open a current account for the same. So new partners capital or current account debit to PFG account, premium for goodwill account. Okay, capital entry will be passed separately, and after that you are going to pass the entry for the same. Okay, now whenever, third case, partly cash. Okay, when he is going to bring in partly cash, and next one is kind. So I am going to record here. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. In fourth, we are going to have a combined entry of both. That is, the entry will be cash account debit, new partners, capital or current account debit to premium for goodwill account. Okay, and in the fifth case, that is kind, that means he is bringing asset, that is he is bringing asset. In such a case, cash is also asset, so cash account debit stock account debit or any other asset, है ना, like building etc. account debit to new partners capital. मान लो he is bringing in capital and for PFG. At that time we are going to have this entry. Out of 5, only one entry will be at one time. That means our first entry will be out of this only. Okay. So any one entry you have to pass from this 5 for the case given. Now we move to second entry, which is compulsory secondary PFG distributed between sacrificing partners in sacrificing ratio. Okay, so it is compulsory. You have to keep in mind. It is compulsory. Only in the case of private loan we are not going to pass this entry. Else otherwise in 4 cases, remaining 4 cases, we are going to pass the entry. That entry will be PFG account debit, premium for goodwill account debit to, I am going to write sacrificing partners. Sacrificing partners capital account or current. Okay. In case of fixed capital, we are going to write in partners current account. Okay. Now the next entry is, it is not compulsory. Whenever it is stated, when premium for goodwill or goodwill is withdrawn by partners. When it is said the goodwill has been withdrawn by the partners, we are going to pass this entry. This is not compulsory. First 2 entries are compulsory. But when it is stated that in every question you will not get the same, but when it is stated only, then at that time you pass the entry. That will be sacrificing partners capital or current account debit to cash. Okay, cash account. This is the goodwill treatment, and you have to keep in mind it is very important. Okay, so thank you. Hidden goodwill. Whenever nothing is stated regarding goodwill in question, but it is said pass the entry of the goodwill. Now that means we have no information and it is hidden. So we have to find out the goodwill from the given information. That information is the new partner's share and the new partner's capital. Okay, so let us start. Step 1. Estimating firm's capital. Equals to new partners capital into reciprocal of his or her share. Okay, so from that we are going to find out what will be the capital according to his share of capital. Okay, now we are going to find out the firm's goodwill. Okay, the firm's goodwill will be estimated firm's capital minus old partners adjusted capital plus new partners capital. Okay, so you have to deduct from estimated firm's capital the old partners adjusted capital, that means any adjustment regarding reserves, revaluation, etc. After that, what capital comes in, that will be the adjusted capital of the partners. We are going to take that one, that means after doing all the adjustments, and the new partners capital to find out the firm's goodwill. Okay, from this we can find out the share of new partner. So new partners share of goodwill equals to firm's goodwill into his or her share. Thank you. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.